Controlling your Element Xumo TV without a remote is straightforward. Here are the main methods: physical buttons on the TV, the Element TV mobile app, and CEC via HDMI. Each has its advantages, and combining them ensures you always have a way to manage your TV. The Element TV app, available on iOS and Android, allows you to control your TV using a touchscreen interface that mimics a physical remote. Enhanced app support from 2024 to 2025 added gesture controls and screen mirroring, allowing users to navigate menus via smartphone touchscreens. Your Element Xumo TV includes physical buttons on the back or bottom for basic control like power, volume, and input selection. For advanced control, download the Element TV app and connect your phone to the same Wi-Fi network as your TV. CEC allows HDMI-connected devices like soundbars or gaming consoles to control your TV automatically. Remember to ensure your TV is on the same Wi-Fi for app control and use compatible HDMI cables for CEC functionality.